Today I'm going to show you how to make stained glass biscuits. You will need 225 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of butter cubed in at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 100 grams of boiled sweets, or 12 boiled sweets, as this recipe makes 12 biscuits. Firstly, to your flour add your sugar and give it a mix until well combined. Then add your butter, and with the tips of your fingertips you want to rub the butter into your flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your vanilla extract and start to bring your mixture together until you have a dough. If you find that your mixture isn't coming together into a dough, do add a little bit of water at a time until it does come together. Then you want to roll your dough out on a pre-floured work surface, and you want to roll it out until it's about 1 centimetre thick. And then using a 9 centimetre cookie cutter, you want to cut out your shapes. And then using a smaller one, which I used a 5 centimetre cutter, you want to cut out the middle of the biscuit. So then you end up with a donut shaped biscuit. And then as a complete optional, I poked a little hole in each of my biscuits. This is so then I can attach some ribbon and hang them from the tree, so then they can be like biscuit baubles. But if you don't want to hang them from the tree and you just want to eat them, you can skip this step entirely. Then place your biscuits on a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper, just leaving a little bit of space in between each biscuit, just in case the biscuits expand slightly. And place a boiled sweet in the middle of each biscuit. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 18 to 20 minutes until the sides of your biscuits have started to turn a golden colour. Then if you are going to hang them from the tree, allow your biscuits to cool first. So you want to thread some ribbon through the holes that you placed at the top of the biscuit. I just used a knife to just open up that hole ever so slightly to make it easier to thread. And then just simply tie a bow in it, and then you can hang it from the tree. And there you have it. That's how you make stained glass biscuits.